So you found that nice, perfect travel trailer, and lo and behold, she's $5,000 less than anything else you've looked at. Well, before you go into that store and sign on the dotted line, my goal is to help you prevent a tragic situation where you're in bigger trouble with your better half than forgetting Valentine's Day. I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV, and I'm going to give you 5 ways to improve your relationship. It's not going to save your marriage, but it'll certainly improve it. Follow me. Integrated front A-frame, plywood construction, vacuum bonded sidewalls, 4,500-pound load capacity roof, 600-pound load capacity bunks if you got kiddos. Double everybody else. 2-year standard warranty, 3-year structural. While you may be looking for a sweetheart of a deal, you certainly don't want to drag the lowest bidder into the forest for a week's worth of camping. That could end badly and you could be sleeping in a tent for the remainder of the trip. If you're looking for the best unit for the money, come visit us at Worldwide RV. I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. Happy Valentine's Day.
Water's coming out of the bathroom again. I know you wanted to be near water camping this weekend, but should it be coming out from under the sink, babe?
The bill is how much?
Well, the good news is they'll have it done by the end of the month.
The end of the month?
Yeah.
But I have a camping trip in a week. Hey Ralph, bad news. We're not going to be able to make the camping trip next week. Yeah, she's not happy. Oh, by the way, you wouldn't have a spare bedroom I could sleep in for the next few days, do you?